What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a key fob for a 2013 BMW 128i, but this will probably be the same on many BMW models if you take a close look at it here. If yours is no longer working, if you notice the battery is obviously dead in it, and you look at it and you go, how do you open it? And most people would assume that it splits down the side, because you can see many people have tried to open it through there, because this car is, we're not the original owners. So you think you split it down the middle like that. Actually, no. First, you need to take out the emergency key, and you just flip it over and push that little button in right there, and the emergency key will pop out. There's the emergency key. Then take you a flat-bladed screwdriver, common standard screwdriver. Turn it over, and you see right above that little tab-looking thing right there, there's a slot right below my finger, and just pry it open with your flat screwdriver, and the little cap will pop off on it. So looking at it, you see how the screwdriver just fits right in there, and just pry that little cap off in the top middle. And there it is. It's a CR2032 battery. I'll put links down below where you can get those on Amazon, but you can get them pretty much anywhere. Especially if you're desperate, you can get these at Home Depot and Walmart and Target and those kind of places. But just pop it out, basically. Make sure you note how it's in there, which is the label facing up towards you. And just replace it with another common battery, and then just pop this back on and just sort of snap it in place. Put your key back in the slot on the side right there, and that's all there is to it. If our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. Same for any monetized channel that helps you out. Make sure you throw a donation towards them. And look through our channel. We got 2,000 videos of all kinds, working on stuff around the house and cars and motorcycles and all sorts of stuff. So hopefully you'll subscribe, like, follow, and check out our channel for all kinds of things. You'll have a great day, and look for our social media links as well in the description.